Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can do this PS5 AR filter trend on TikTok. So for this you're gonna need Instagram. So once you have Instagram, what you can do, it's simple, just go to this website. I have PS5 filter here. Link to this filter I'll give you in the description box below. From there you can get this filter. So in this website you will see the link to the filter. Just tap on the link and open it with Instagram. Okay, wait a second. Okay, and this is the filter. You need to use your rear camera, so let me turn the camera. Okay, you got the PS5. Place it wherever you want. Now what we want to do, we'll record a video here. Okay, now let's save the video. Now let's go to TikTok. Now in TikTok, this is the upload button, tap there. Okay, what is the video? This is the video we just made. Select the video, hit next. Now hit next again. If you want to edit something here, you can edit, and once you are done, hit next and you are ready to share it to TikTok. So this is one. I'll show you a different filter also. Okay, let me go back to the website. Okay, let's go back. Yeah, this is PS5 box. Okay, again you will see the link. Tap on the link. I need to discard this first. Okay, let's go again. Not here, Safari. Yeah, tap on the link. Okay, and we got the box. Okay, now let's record. Okay, now let's save it. Now let's go to TikTok. Upload button. This is the video we just made. Select the video, hit next. Next again. If you want to add some music or some sticker, you can add here. Hit next. And you are ready to share it to TikTok. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can do this PS5 AR filter on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.